Walk through any high-end automotive district today, and the landscape is defined by aggressive grilles and wide, muscular stances. Despite the rugged aesthetics, the vast majority of these luxury SUVs are engineered strictly for the pavement. This creates a specific gap in the market. Luxury typically requires soft suspension and acoustic isolation, while off-road capability requires stiff mechanical grit and high ground clearance. Rarely do the two meet without one compromising the other. The X9 concept acts as a direct engineering response to this contradiction, attempting to bridge the divide between an executive limousine and a heavy-duty crawler. To maintain stability with a high center of gravity, the chassis requires a massive track width, while the body panels must channel air around the cabin to minimize wind noise at high speeds. Reconciling a low-drag shell with the extreme wheel articulation needed for rugged terrain is a significant hurdle. Achieving a baseline aesthetic that supports both high-speed aerodynamics and off-road physics remains a rare mark in automotive design. From a rear, the vehicle's architecture uses muscular haunches and a continuous roofline to mask its curb weight, giving the massive frame a streamlined appearance. The lower fascia's quad exhaust and aerodynamic diffuser manage high-performance engine output and airflow. The wheels highlight a paradox: large luxury rims paired with deep-tread off-road tires for low-pressure traction. Above, the continuous LED taillight bar and silver badging maintain a stealth executive aesthetic. These flared arches provide the necessary clearance for the suspension to travel its full range, without the oversized tires contacting the bodywork during extreme maneuvers. Inside the cabin, the rugged exterior disappears, replaced by a delicate and opulent layout designed for passenger comfort. The interior relies on sensory isolation engineering. Thick acoustic gloss, active noise cancellation, and tuned dampers work together to detach the occupants from the mechanical vibrations occurring outside the vehicle. Maintaining this environment requires sensitive components, including complex climate control networks and premium material finishes that must be shielded from the elements. To protect this space, the chassis uses reinforced heavy-duty door handle mechanisms and seals built to withstand environmental stress that would typically compromise a luxury vehicle. The engineering goal is psychological detachment. The driver remains isolated from the external environment, regardless of how brutal the terrain becomes. Testing begins on high-speed tarmac, where the vehicle must demonstrate its stability and aerodynamic efficiency. As the vehicle reaches higher speeds, the chassis manages downward aerodynamic pressure to maintain its grip on the smooth pavement. The test environment shifts abruptly to loose desert sand, introducing a total loss of consistent traction. When the tires lose their grip on the granular surface, active torque vectoring reroutes power to the wheels with the most traction in a matter of milliseconds. At the same time, the active suspension adjusts its dampening rates to absorb the high-frequency vibrations of driving over dunes, preventing the shock from reaching the cabin. Successfully traversing deep sand requires the vehicle to override its standard road programming, marking the first successful layer of environmental adaptability. In a wet jungle environment, speed is no longer the priority. The vehicle must now focus on methodical traversal through deep mud and moisture. Deep mud places unique physical demands on the engineering, requiring extreme vertical suspension travel to keep the tires planted on firmer ground beneath the sledge. The mechanical stress is visible at the wheel level as the vehicle crawls over mud-slicked rocks, forcing the drivetrain to find grip in near-liquid conditions. While the suspension works, the chassis seals the interior technology against humidity and water ingress, ensuring the electronics remain dry even during water fording. Surviving the jungle stress test validates the chassis design. It proves the luxury sanctuary can remain intact, even when the vehicle is pushed to the edge of its physical capabilities. Thick mud and desert dust now sit caked onto the glossy black paint, marking every surface that survived the previous 1,000 miles. The engineering paradox is resolved. The chassis maintained high-speed stability, navigated loose sand, and crawled through deep mud without compromising the interior environment. Engineering a single platform to behave as a high-velocity cruiser, a luxury suite, and a heavy-duty crawler removes the need for a specialized fleet of vehicles. The mud-splattered black SUV accelerates powerfully toward the horizon, leaving deep, aggressive off-road tire tracks in its wake. Supremacy in this segment is found in unbothered capability, a chassis engineered